Good morning, first PC students. Today, let us go to the next chapter, new chapter, sets. Already, I did send textbook sets chapter, textbook, only book, textbook, and only chapter in textbook, and ఈ ట్రిగనోమెట్రీ ఫంక్షన్స్ టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ అండ్ దట్ సొల్యూషన్స్ ఆల్ విత్ ఎక్సర్సైజ్ వైజ్ ఆల్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ సొల్యూషన్స్ ఐ డిడ్ సెండ్ yesterday. So any doubt, some more problems, some problems I did discussed, some problems I did discussed, and some more other problems, some homework problems, other problems we have to do. Okay, we have to do. So totally first chapter trigonometry functions, and some members don't have any textbooks. Some members don't have any textbooks. That's why I did send the textbook first, chapter wise sets textbook, total 20 pages or 25 pages. This sets chapter totally how many pages? 29 pages. 29 pages textbook, only chapter, sets chapter. Okay, each and every problem you have to do in the exercise or examples, some more problems. If you have any doubt, you will see in solutions PDF. Okay, so today sets. What is the set? Set is a collection of well defined objectives. Collection of well defined objects. Collection of well defined objects. Objects means elements, or objects means any articles, things, or anywhere, animals, or anyone, objects. Set is a collection of well defined objects. Well defined objects. For example, natural numbers up to 10, 1 to 10. Set of natural numbers 1 to 10. And 1 to 10 natural numbers means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, up to 10. Is a set because ఈ natural numbers is defined objectives, already defined natural numbers, whole numbers, real numbers, integers, complex numbers, all are defined objectives, defined elements. Okay, another one is set of all fruits. All fruits, fruit is object, well defined objectives. Okay, next some more many examples. See, you will see in our textbook. Okay, verified. Sets means what? Set of collection of well defined objects. For example, set of all natural numbers 1 to 10, or set of all natural numbers, set of all real numbers, set of all animals, set of all birds. Okay, set of all alphabets in English letters, set of all English letters, alphabets, total alphabets, set of all vowels, set of all consonants. These are examples of sets. So the next belongs to. What is the belongs to? For example, set are right in the braces. This is the braces symbol. This is small bracket, this is the closed big bracket, this is braces, open interval, small bracket. In previous schools, in schools this is called small bracket, this is called big bracket. In the college, this is the open interval, this is the closed interval, this is called braces. Okay, the elements write in the braces 1, 2, 3 by using the bracket, braces bracket. For example, A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 is a set because 1 to 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 elements, 4 numbers. These 4 are defined elements. Okay, so A is a set. Okay, the set can be written in the braces bracket, using the braces bracket. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 is a well defined element. So this is set to. So 1 is the element. 1 is the element. 2 is another element. 3 is element. 4 is the element. So 1 belongs to A. 1 belongs symbol. This is the symbol of belongs to. Or we can write into belongs to. Write into belongs to. Belongs to. This is the word form. This is the symbol form. Belongs to. This is C. Okay, C. Okay, 1 is in the set. This is the meaning of 1 belongs to A means 1 is the element. A is a set. This is A belongs to 1 is not correct. Because this is 1 is the only single element in the set A. Single element in the set A. So 1 belongs to A means 1 is the element of the set A. This is the meaning. 1 belongs to A. 1 belongs to A meaning 1 is the element. The element is the in the set A. This is the meaning. Okay. This is not correct. Okay. A is set to in the element A. Okay. Element in the set illa. Set in the element irthavu. Okay. So 1 belongs to A. 1 belongs to A means 1 is element. The element 1 is in the set A. 5 belongs to A. Is it correct? 5 belongs to A. Does not belongs to A. This is the belongs to, does not belongs to. Equal to, not equal to. Less than or equal to, does not less than or not less than or equal to. Okay. So 5 is not an element of A. So what is the set A? Set A has only 4 elements. Set A has only 4 elements, not 5. 5, the element 5 is not belongs to A, not in the set A. This is in other set, another set, don't know, but not set in A. This is the meaning. Element 5 is not belongs in the set A. Okay, not belongs in the set A. So 1 is the set in A. In the set of 1 is the inset in the set A. So 5 does not belongs to A because A only 4 elements 1, 2, 3, 4. There is no 5. So 5 does not belongs to A. Belongs to, this is the word, same word, this is the symbol form. Belongs to A. Oh, sets are 2 types. 2 types. First one, roster form. Roster form. Second one, set builder form. Roster form and set builder form. What is the roster form? Roster form. What is the roster form? ROSTR, roster form. ROSTER, roster form. What is the roster form? The elements are anyone. Elements, objectives are in right by the separate commas and using the braces. For example, using the braces, and for example 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 to 10, 1 to 5 numbers write in the roster form. 1 to means 1, comma, 2, comma, 3, comma, 4, comma, 5. The numbers are element separated by the commas within the braces. Write in the braces bracket. For example, 1 less than x less than 5. 1 less than x less than 5. This relation can be written in the roster form. How to? For example, braces 1 to 5. 1 to 5. 1 less than x less than 5. Not 1, because less than 1 means not 1. 2, 3, 4. Okay, roster form. Next, set builder form. Set builder form means, for example, 1 to 5 numbers. 1 to 5 numbers write in the set builder form. For example, set of all, this is a bracket, set of all x such that the two dots are set to be such that x is a numbers, x is a numbers 1 to 5, x is a numbers 1 to 5. X is a numbers 1 to 5. This is the set builder form. This is the roster form. Roster form are direct to write the elements by using the commas within the braces. That 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The set builder form, set of all. This is called set of all x such that two dots means such that x is numbers from 1 to 5. This one. Okay, this is roster form. Okay, another example. Alphabetic vowels. Write vowels. Write all vowels. What are the vowels? Write all vowels in roster form. First of all, vowels. English letters. In English letters, some vowels are there. Vowels are write in roster form. How to write roster form vowels? What is the vowels? What are they vowels? A, E, I, O, U. Direct to written by the separated by the elements, separated by the commas within braces. Vowels. Okay. Next, what is the set builder form? Set builder form is equal to set of all x such that, set of all x such that x is a vowel, x is a vowels in English alphabet. In English alphabet. This one. Which one is easy? The roster form is easy because directed each element is separated by the commas and within the braces. This is set of all x such that means two dots, and x is what will asking? Vowels in English alphabet. What did ask? Alphabet. This is the set builder form. This is the roster form. So many examples are there in the examples and exercise. Okay. Let us do. In set form or roster form, not in sequence. For example, 1 2 5. Okay, wait. Roster form, set form, roster form is not a sequence. For example, A is equal to 1 to 5 numbers 1 2 3 4 5 are 5 4 3 2 1 or 1 2 5 4 3, anyone, not compulsory in sequence in alphabet order. Okay, for example, another one, school, 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 or SOOLCH, both are same. Not in alphabetic order, not in sequence order, increasing order, decreasing order. This is not compulsory. This is any order, but elements, 5 elements or 5, that 5 elements are is there or not. This is important. Okay, there is no sequence. This is the next one. Next one, go to the exercise 1.1 first. Open your textbooks, sets, chapter, page number 4. Sets your textbook. Open your textbook. Problem number 1. First problem. What is that? Which of the following are sets? Justify your answer. Which of the following are sets? Okay, which one is set or not? Okay, justify your answer. Why this is set? Why this is not set? This is a reason. Justify your answer means reason. What is the first one? The collection of all months of a year beginning with the letter J. Beginning with the letter J. What is the one? The collection of, listen, the collection of all months. Collection of how many months are there in the year? How many months? 12 months. In 12 months, beginning with the letter J. Beginning with the letter J. J means January, February, March, April, May, June, July. January, June, July. This is set or not set? Because the January, June, July are the defined, well-defined objectives. Months. June month is defined. January month defined. This is July. This is defined. So this is set because all are well-defined objectives, well-defined months. This is the first one. See your textbook. Okay. Next, second one. The collection of 10 most talented writers of India. 10 most talented writers in India. E talented means not defined. Talent means not defined. Okay. Good. Okay, this is not defined because talent is nothing but which type of talent? Which type of talent? Some members are there in inner talent. Some members express the talent. Some members does not express the talent. The talent is there but does not express. But does not express means that person is not talented fellow. This is talented fellow but not express. Okay, our talent is not defined. Which type of talent? So many type of talents. Inner talent doesn't explain. Okay, so the number of writers, number of poets, number of novels, greatest novels. Okay, number of dangerous animals. This type of all are not a set because it's not defined, well defined, not defined. So this is talented poet is the collection of 10 most talented writers of India. Means talented means inner talent and outer talent, inside talent. Some members are inside, is talent is there, but there is no express our talent. So this is not defined. So this is not a set. Next, third one. A team of 11 best cricket batsmen of the world. Best cricket batsmen. This is also talent. Talent is nothing but not a set. Best cricket, so best novels, so best players, so this type of, there is no set. Best talented. Okay, some members are don't show our talent. Okay. So the collection of all boys in your class. The collection of all boys in your class. This is a set, because how many boys are there is confirmed. This is your class. How many boys are there? How many girls are there? This is defined. How many boys are there? That boys are talented or not talented, good or bad. This is good. Bad, this is not a set. How many members in your class? Boys, how many members in your class? Okay, in our class, how many members? 10 members, 20 members, 30 members. This is a set. Next, the collection of all natural number less than 100. The collection of all natural number less than 100. All natural numbers less than, natural numbers is nothing but numbers. Less than 100 means this is 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on up to 99. Less than 100 means below 100 up to 99. This is well defined numbers. So this is set. A collection of novels written by the writer Munshi Premchand. Munshi Premchand. A collection of novels written by the writer. Munshi Premchand, how many novels are written? How many novels are written means 100,000 is there. Is well defined. Okay. So this is a set. Next, the collection of all even integers. The collection of all even integers is a defined. Even integers. Even integers. 2, 3, 4. Minus 2, minus 4, minus, these are even integers. Okay, so this is a set. Directly set or not? Okay, next, second one. The collection of questions in this chapter. The collection of questions in this chapter. In the chapter sets, so for example, sets chapter. Sets chapter, how many questions are there? This is defined. 100 questions, 100 questions, 200 questions is there. Is defined. Okay. Next, a collection of most dangerous animals. The collection of most dangerous animals in the world. Most dangerous animals. Which one is the dangerous animals? Only tiger, lion. These are more dangerous animals. The dog also dangerous animal. Sometimes dog also dangerous, is biting all. Okay. So second problem in the exercise 1.1. Exercise 1.1 is A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Insert the appropriate symbol belongs to or does not belongs to. This is using in the blank spaces. This is A, 5 dash dash A. Next B, 8 A. This is C, 0 A. D, 4 A. E, 2 A. 10 A. Belongs to means that element is in their set, means belongs to. That element does not, that element not in there, not there in the set, is does not belongs to. So A is equal to what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 5 is the element of set A? Yes. belongs to. 8 is the element of in the set A? No, does not belongs to. So next 0 is a element in the set A? No, does not belongs to. So 4 is the element in the set A. 2 is the element in set A. 10 is does not belongs to A. 10 is not in the set A. Okay, is it clear? Next third problem. Write the following set in the roster form. Roster form. First one. A is equal to X such that set builder form. Set builder form is given, convert into roster form. Roster form is given, convert into set builder form. So what is the given set builder form? X such that X is an integer. X is an integer and minus 3 less than x less than 7. This is the problem. This problem, the set A is set builder form. This set builder form is converted into roster form. How to convert? A. X is an integer. The integers, not all integers, it is limit. Starting value is there and ending value is there. Minus 3 less than x less than 4. What is the integers? Negative values, positive numbers. Negative numbers, positive numbers only. There is no fraction values. So minus 3 to 7, minus 3 is not there because less than means so minus 3, next minus 4, minus 4, minus 4. This is the real line. This real line minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. This is the real line. So here minus 3 before minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 6. Not 7 because this is less than 7 means below 7, not 7, not equal to 7. Below 7, below 7. Above minus 3, not minus 3. This is one. The second one. X is a natural number less than 1. Second one, no? X is a natural number less than 1. X is a natural number less than 6. Less than 6 means natural number, starting number. Natural number is what? Natural number starting from 1 and ending up to and so on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, not 6 because the natural number less than 6. Less than 6 means 6 below. Before value 5. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, third one is third bit 2. X is a two-digital number such that sum of its digit is 8. Two-digit number, the two-digit number, the sum of its digit is 8. Take a two-digit number, the two-digit number sum is 8. Two-digit number, sum is 8. For example, 117, 1 plus 7, 8. Next, 2, 6, 3, 5, 4, 4, 5, 3, 6, 2, 7, 1. You have to take in two-digit number. The two-digit number, the two numbers, adding the two numbers is equal to the 8. So 117, 1 plus 7, 8. 71, 7 plus 1, 6 plus 2, 5 plus 3, 4 plus 4, 3 plus 5, 2 plus 6. This is thinking. Next, X is a prime number which is divisor of 60. Prime numbers, you know prime numbers? Even number, odd number, prime numbers. You know prime numbers, even numbers. Any number is divisible by 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, this is and so on. 1, 3, 5, 7. What is the prime number? That number factor is 1 and itself. Any number, that number factors is 1 and itself. So 1 is not a prime number. 3 is a prime number. 5 is prime number. 7 into 1. The factors 1 to 7. So 4, 1, two twos, 4 ones, and 2 1 2 4. What is the prime number? That number factors are 1 and itself. 1 ade. Okay. So divisible by divisor of 60. Divisor of 60. Divisor of 60. What is 60 divisor? 60 is equal to 1 into 60, 2 into 30, 3 into 20, 4 into 15, 5 into 12, 6 into 10, there is no 7, 8, 9, 10, 10 into 6 or 6 into 10, same. So what is the divisor of 6? Divisor of 6. So prime numbers divisor 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is the divisor of 60. So in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which is the prime numbers? 1 is not a prime number, 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, 5 is a prime number. So 2, 3, 5. Answer is 2, 3, 5. What is the fourth one? Answer 2, 3, 5. Once again, what you have to asking? X is a prime number which is divisor of 60. 60 divisors, so not all divisors. In these 60 divisors, only prime numbers. So 60 divisors, 1 into 60, this is the divisors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is the divisors of 60. In divisor of 60, how many prime numbers are there? 2, 3, 5 is prime number. 1 is not a prime number. 2, 3, 5. So answer is 2, 3, 5. Next, set of all letters in the word trigonometry. Set of all letters in the word trigonometry. Trigonometry, set of all letters. Trigonometry, how many letters? For example, trigonometry, trigonometry, trigonometry. In trigonometry, what is the repeated element? For example, T, R, T-R-Y, 2 R's. 2 R's can be right only one time. Next, I how many? Only one I. Next, G, only one G. 2 O's. Okay, trigonometry. 1 E, 1 E, 1 M. Already in 2 T's, trigonometry. This one, 2 T's taken one time. Only 1 R, 1 I, 1 G, 2 O's can be written in 1 O, M, single E, and Y. In the set builder, in the roster form, set builder form, in set form, the repeated elements are right only one time. Okay, repeated. How many times are repeated? For example, T repeated 10 times. We have to write only one time. 10 times, 20 times you have to repeated the element, any element, one numbers, letters, or any things or objectives. Repeat so many times. How many times are you have to repeat? First we have to write only one time. Okay, this is not correct. For example, this is 1, 1, 1, 1. This is not correct. Ones are how many? 4 ones. 4 ones we have to write only one. If 4 ones means how many elements? Not 4 elements. Only one element in the set, because the 4 are same. Same element we have to write only one time. Okay. Okay, next to third problem, next to continue the 4th, 5th, 6th. Before all are will We'll read and understand the all the chapter matter definition and some more examples. So what is the set to? Some more examples we have to if it observe the concept of the textbook, concept of the chapter. So first we have to perfect read carefully. Okay, next tomorrow I will continue the next problem. Okay, thank you.